In this video, I'll show you how to generate business bios or about us pages automatically, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a business owner or content creator, crafting an engaging bio is crucial, but doing it manually can be tedious. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple and efficient way to generate these pages automatically so you can focus on more important tasks. The process is easier than you might think. First, let's talk about the software we'll be using. I've tried a few of the most popular tools out there, and I've narrowed it down to the one that works best for creating business bios quickly and efficiently. It's incredibly simple to use and saves you a ton of time. If you want to follow along, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below, available only to viewers of my channel. Now let's dive into how it works. The first step is to input your business details. You'll want to enter your business name, key services, and maybe a few important values or points about your company culture. This information will help the software understand what your business is all about, and from there it can generate a professional and personalized bio. The key is to be as detailed as possible with the information you provide. The more specific, the better the results. Once you've entered the necessary details, the software will generate a draft of your bio. It uses advanced algorithms to pull from your input and create a well-structured, engaging piece of writing. You'll get a bio that sounds professional, but doesn't take hours to craft. The software does all the hard work for you. From there, you can easily edit the generated content. Maybe you want to tweak a few sentences or add in some more details. It's totally up to you. You have full control over the final product, but the key is that it saves you a ton of time in the initial creation process. Once you're satisfied with the results, you've got a polished business bio or About Us page ready to go live. Here's a key takeaway. Automating the creation of your business bio or About Us page isn't just about saving time. It's about maximizing efficiency so you can focus on other areas of your business. The tool I'm recommending helps you streamline that process without sacrificing quality. To recap, the process is simple. Input your business details, let the software generate the bio, tweak it as necessary, and boom, you have a professional bio in no time. It's that easy. And don't forget, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. It's a great way to try out the software and see how it can work for you. Thanks for watching.